Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have a new product that I've been desperate to try out. I saw somebody using it on TikTok and Instagram, and when I saw it I knew I just had to have it. So I have purchased a new tripod content creator tool and it's called Olivia. And oh my goodness, I'm really excited to try it out. As I don't know if you follow me on YouTube and you've seen a couple of my videos, you'll have seen that I've mentioned a couple of times that my setup is not right at the moment. The camera's wobbling and the lighting's bad, so I'm hoping that this is going to solve all of my problems. So I'm going to open it up. So here we go. Please, before I begin, please excuse the absolute state of my nails. It's been a bit of a stressful week, so I have not had any acrylics on and I've picked at my nails. So there you go. Right, so let's open this up. I'm really excited about this. So first thing we have is the lead. Obviously that goes into a USB port. I have purchased extra a remote control, but I don't think I needed to, but I purchased it anyway. So we'll see. Here we go. So we've got the Content Creators Tool user manual here. We've also got where you can find the company that I purchased it from on social media and their email address. This is all so exciting. Again, here we go, instructions, how to set it up. Lovely, oh my goodness. So to start off with, we've got a chargeable port here. That's how you charge the Olivia. So just push it up with your thumb and then pull that out there to start off with. So we've got our remote control here, and as you can see, you control the lights with this one here, one of the lights. Then we've got the other light, so we've got a back and a front light. This is also the remote control for your camera on your iPhone as well. So you can attach it via Bluetooth. So you hold that down for a couple of seconds and it'll start, the blue light will come on, and that means that signifies that it is ready to attach to your phone. And the way you do that is you go onto your Bluetooth and then you link it up. So that's the remote control. So here we have, it pulls out just like that, and then you lift it up. You've got this bit here, you screw it like this and that locks it into place so that it doesn't fall back. So that's locked into place there. You pull it up like that. We've got the hinge here, so you have it up, pull it up as high as you want. I will probably have it to about there. So that bends, which is fantastic. So then we've got this turns. You've got like, this has got little notches here, so you can angle it, pop it at any angle that you want. I would probably have it angled that way. So flick these up. So these flick up here. And then you can have your phone, pop your phone in like that. So then you can turn it any way. You can have it horizontal or vertical. You can turn the tripod like that. Or you can turn it around the other way, whichever way you want. So we have two buttons here. This one operates the top light. This one operates the bottom light. So to start them up, you hold them down for a couple of seconds and then you can see the light comes on. You can change the settings. I think there's 7 settings here, 7 light settings. So you just flick through them just to change those settings. And then it goes back to that. So then you just turn it off that way. And then the same with the bottom one. Just hold it down for a couple of seconds. And there we have it. So again, just change that there like that. And then to turn it off, just hold it down. So the other thing, you can have it as an upright tripod. So if you had it like this, and then you can put your phone in here. So you can have it like that. So you can do it for like vlogging or anything like that. You can then have your light on. So I'm gonna use the remote control, and that turns the light on, and that just adjusts the light. And so that's how you can see yourself as you're filming and use it as a tripod for vlogging or anything like that, or selfies. So just turn that light off by holding the button down. And that's that. Just pop it away. Pop that back in there. Unscrew this. Then you need to flick these back in. Push it down. And that folds over. And you're good to go. How cool is that? I love it. So, oh, one thing I didn't show you guys as well is that the remote control has, there it is, a USB port as well to charge it. Is that going to focus? No? Anyway, it's there. That's it. You can charge it, charge your remote control there with the charger that you got in the box that I got, and we can charge it there. And so that is the Olivia. Okay, so now I've shown you the full version, or I've given you the full experience of Olivia. I am going to show you how I created this set using my Olivia to film it with. So when you've fully charged the Olivia, guys, you get up to 3 hours worth of use from it, which is amazing. It goes up as high as 130 centimetres. That's the tripod, that's how high it goes. You can get it in either pink or white on the website, which I will leave you a link in the description box below. Also, I have a discount code for you all to take advantage of, which will also be in the description box below. So thank you so much for watching my video this week, guys. I hope you enjoyed my little review of the Olivia from Hey Paparazzo, and thank you so much for watching. I shall see you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.